Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, violet color, parrot green color, icy blue color, green color, brown color, pink color and orange color. Today we will learn A to C and we will find the missing numbers like B, D, F and all. So let's get started. Yellow color A. Now here will come B. We will trace B. B. Next C. Here D. Green color E. Orange color F. Icy blue color G. Brown color H. Blue color I. Yellow color J. Violet color K. Violet color K. Parrot green color L. L. Pink color M. Pink color M. Green color N. Green color N. Orange color O. Icy blue color P. Brown color Q. Blue color R. Yellow color S. Violet color T. T. Parrot green color U. Pink color V. Green color W. Orange color X. Icy blue color Y. Very good. You find all the missing numbers like B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P, R, T, V and X. Now it's time for C. Very good guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.